What Curiosity is hoping to find is to test whether Mars was ever habitable in its ancient past, habitable for microbial life, that is. So we're going to use a powerful set of instruments on Curiosity and its ability to travel up to 100 meters per Martian day to see if we can see the effects of water. So for instance, one of the things I'm particularly interested in is to study the different mineral assemblages to see what the temperature of the water was, what its composition was. Was it poisonous for microbes or not? Was it acid or alkaline, etc.? So those are some of the sort of building blocks that we really need to know about Mars to decide if it was ever habitable and what the past environment, warm and wet past on Mars was like. I think space exploration is risky. That's part of the drama of it. It's part of what attracts everybody to it. But of course, there's a downside to that, which is that it doesn't always work. In entry, descent, and landing, we are trying to go from 6 kilometers per second, which is the closing velocity of the aeroshell as it enters the Mars atmosphere, to a relatively gentle halt on the Martian surface, in Gale Crater in this instance. So the whole set of complex maneuvers and processes that need to occur. So, for instance, first of all, the first thing which will slow down and maneuver Curiosity in its aeroshell, this conical aeroshell, is maneuvering within the Mars atmosphere, and that will help to slow it down. But that's not enough. So then there's the parachute stage, and then the retro rockets, which will slow it down further, not quite to a halt. And then the tethers, 3 nylon tethers, lower down Curiosity onto the actual surface. And so in all those different stages, there's a range of things which have to happen. For instance, we need radar to reflect back from the surface so that the sky wind to lower the tethers which carry the rover. There's a whole set of over 70 explosive bolts which need to go off in the correct sequence as well. So there's a lot of things. It's complex. This is a fascinating mission. I think it combines both new technology and pure science and drama, and I think it's in the spirit of exploration. 300 years ago, Captain Cook used the new technology of his days, which was clocks in those days, accurate clocks, to help him explore and find new land. And I think we follow in the same tradition. I think it's very exciting, and I'm just looking forward to getting results.